Morning students, will continue our chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. Cotton strings in wash while polyester generally does not. So when these two are combined in a proper ratio, the resultant material does not shrink to a large extent when compared with the pure cotton fabric. The more the percentage of natural fiber is blending of fibers, the more would be comfort to the skin. When natural fibers contribute to a fabric, it allows the skin to breathe easily. Also, natural fibers are generally free from irritating chemicals. Next, Arclic. What type of clothes do we wear in winter? All of us wear clothes which keep our body warm, right? We use sweaters, shawls, or blankets. People feel that all these are made up of natural wool. Wool is very expensive and generally is not affordable and accessible to everyone. Think how many sheep would be needed to obtain the wool to prepare sweaters for everyone in India. All the winter wear nowadays is made up of a synthetic fiber called Arclic. It became commercially available in 1941. It looks like natural wool. It can be considered as artificial wool. It is generally called fake fur. Okay, it is made from a combination of coal, air, water, oil, and limestone. It is spun by either dry spinning or wet spinning. In dry spinning, the dissolved polymers are extruded into warm air. The fibers solidify by evaporation. In wet spinning, the polymers are dissolved and extruded into the bath and then dried out. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, whereas clothes made from Arclic are relatively cheap. Can you list out the things made up of Arclic? It is used in knitted apparels such as fleece, socks, sportswear, and sweaters. It is also used in craft yarns, upholstery, fabrics, carpets, luggage, awnings, and vehicles covers. Do you have any of them in your home? Here we just introduced a new word, polyester. We will learn about this in detail in later part of this chapter. Why synthetic fiber? What kind of umbrella would you use on rainy day? Would you use an umbrella made of cotton or wool? We have learned about three different synthetic fibers. How are they different from natural fibers? Synthetic fibers absorb less water and dry at a faster rate. Some are even waterproof. Most of them possess several unique characters. They are durable, less expensive, readily available, affordable, and are easy of maintenance. In activity 3, when you burn synthetic fiber, you find that their behavior is different from that of natural fibers. Synthetic fibers melt on heating. This is the disadvantages of synthetic fiber. If the synthetic fiber catches fire, it can be disastrous. The fabric metals and sticks to the body of person who wears it. So we shouldn't wear the synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in a laboratory. Washing and ironing also different for synthetic clothes. Have you ever observed the labels? What does it indicate? Collect some labels and discuss with your teacher about the symbols they represent. Okay students, next we will discuss about polyesters. You might have heard about polyester clothes. You might have also heard about terline. What type of fabrics are there? Polyester is the most commonly used synthetic fiber. Polyester fibers revolutionized the fabric industry and changed the costume culture. Fabrics made from polyester fiber does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and is easily washable, so it is quite suitable for making dress material. Terraline is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fabrics that can be woven like any other fibers. This fiber blends well with natural fibers Terraline is often mixed with cotton to make terracotta and with wool to give terry wool. Like nylon, pure polyester or terraline easily catches fire. Polyester is made by reacting terephthalate acid to dimethyl ether, then with dihydric alcohol. Polyester can be melted and spun. This property allows the fiber to convert into different shapes and sizes. Polyester fibers of these days are ultra thin microfibers, which gives them a smoother, softer feel than the polyester of 20 years ago. The base material can be used to make not just fiber for fabric but many other things from soda bottles to boats. Have you seen a herd of PET bottles? It is very familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires and many other useful things. Okay students, we'll discuss this about PET in next class. Thank you students.